sarcoidosis. Thank you so much for joining us today.
How you doing, YouTube? And good morning, YouTube. Good morning. Another day, another mod. Today we're gonna be working on the E39. We're not starting the motor swap yet, but today we're doing wheels and suspension. We're gonna do some OEM plus wheels. So we're about to head to the shop. They're gonna do the suspension while I finish assembling the JZ. You'll see that in the next video. But let's get going. Yo, that shit gotta be on the ground, Pops.
Got you, buddy.
Alright. Alright, this is the initial height. I think I'm gonna go lower than that. We need to be way lower than that. We got the room, so we're gonna use it. done. I actually ended up getting a set of M parallel wheels, as you can see. Now the suspension is NNR coilovers. They are an eBay brand, but it's been a week now and I honestly can't complain. I love it. I love it. Now that's gonna be into this video. Next video will be another special little package I just got for the E39, and the video after that will be the swap. Finally, it's gonna be a nice eventful swap, but should be fun. This is a final shot of it. Remember, like and subscribe.